The newly installed Jagunosin of Ife, Otunba Collins Kayode Aworeni, on Wednesday officially resumed duty as he rounded up his installation rites with historic visitations to ancestral homes and sacred spots in the city as tradition demands. Aworeni's appointment was approved by the Ooni of Ife, Arole Oduduwa Olofin Adimula, Ooni Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, Ojaja II, after due diligence and necessary consultations with members of the Ooni-in-Council and relevant stakeholders. Otunba Collins Kayode Aworeni succeeded late Highchief Johnson Akindoyin, the immediate past Jagunosin, who died last year at the age of 87. Born in April 1976 at Ibadan, Oyo State, the Jagunosin hails from Jagudu compound in Ile-Ife. He attended INRI Nursery School, Onireke in Ibadan, Central Primary School, Ilare, Ile-Ife, St. John's Grammar School, Oke-Atan, Ile-Ife, and graduated from the Ibadan Polytechnic in 2005 with HND certificate in mass communication. Blessed with a wife and 3 children, Aworeni is a successful businessman who runs hospitality, automobile and agro-allied businesses in Ile-Ife, Ibadan, Lagos, and Abuja. Jagunosin, a prominent cabinet member of the Ooni-in-Council and one of the kingmakers of Ile-Ife, is among the 8th member of Balufe-led Agba-Ife on the right-hand side of the Ooni.